Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play GTA with two players, right? So to do that you have to just go to the online, right? By the way, I'm in my GTA game, and once you go into the online you have to select play GTA online, right? And here in the bottom you will find this option close friend session. So you will able to play GTA only with the players whom you select, right? For example, I just click on close friend session. Are you sure you want to quit a Grand Theft Auto? Because that is, they're asking me to quit the story mode, of course, right? And once I click on OK, right, I will be get into GT Online in just few seconds. And from the home bar right here in the social, you can just send them, invite, and after that they will be able to join your session and you can play with that person, right? So it's very easy to do it, and this is the only way to play a close session with just with your friends, or if you want to play with only two friends. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Take care.